What up, y'all? Welcome to Poor Man's Drinks, that help to find high quality cocktails at an inexpensive price. And today, we're gonna be doing 2-ingredient cocktails. Yeah, you can make cocktails that taste really good with just 2 ingredients, and they're not so expensive. They're just easy peasy stuff. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna tell y'all about these. These are all going to be containing juice. So let's roll with the first one, the Cape Codder. All right, y'all, I hope y'all are just as excited as I am. We got this today. We're gonna do the 2-ingredient series, the 3-ingredient series, 4, 5, and then stop there because it's not so simple, you know. But okay, so let's move on with the Cape Codder. So the Cape Codder, y'all, it's, you can do this with either gin or vodka, whatever your preference is. I haven't tried a Cape Codder with gin yet because I just found my very first gin that I like. So yes, so the Cape Codder is going to be 2 ounces and then fill it up and then with ice. And then I was curious as to why it's called the Cape Codder. You know, that's named after Cape Cod, Massachusetts. And what was curious to me is I don't think it was invented here, but cranberries are very, in the region, are very, oh, that's about it for this. That's about it. Cranberries are very popular in this region, like for farming wise. So that's what Google said, and that sounds about right. What makes it the Cape Codder is this little lime wedge on top, right there for you. So, all right, that's the Cape Codder. Super duper simple. All these are gonna be simple today. It's gonna be a quick video, I hope. I said that the last time, and the video ended up being 30 minutes long or something like that. I'm gonna aim for 15 minutes. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, the gin has its own flavor. I see why you would like that. The gin goes very well with the tartness of the cranberry. That juniper and cranberry. Very, very nice all together. I probably, if you're gonna try this for the first time, if you're not too sure about the gin, stick with the vodka. The vodka is great because you're really just only gonna taste the cranberry juice, and you're not gonna get any of the weird stuff from the gin at first, and then you can move on to gin if you like that stuff. But if you love gin, you're probably gonna love this. Yeah, it's good. It's great. It's good stuff. Let's move on. Alrighty, y'all. Up next, we got the screwdriver, and the screwdriver is very simple as well. Like I said, these are all gonna be 2 ounces, and they're all gonna be juice. So whatever you got in your house can be made into a classic cocktail. Screwdriver, yeah, 2 ounces of your vodka. And, you know, the difference between this and a tequila sunrise is that grenadine right there. I have covered the tequila sunrise in a previous video. But, yeah, this is the screwdriver. Super duper easy. Fill her up. And then you should probably take I'm gonna get a straw really quick. I'm gonna grab a straw. All right, y'all, get yourself a little straw. Stir, stir, stir. Boom, 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 garnish. Little orange, let it bend. There you go, there you go, there you go. That is the screwdriver. Let's give it a bit of a taste. Yep. Oh. I just associate orange juice being a breakfast item. So this always makes me think of like breakfast. Like adult breakfast. Don't worry, we'll also get into the mimosa one day. because you can actually get little small containers, little small champagnes. So Proseccos, all those little small things, they come really tiny and like $2.99. So we'll also be covering those one day, but this is not the mimosa, this is the screwdriver. It's a good go-to for if you only got orange juice in the fridge and you want to have some for dinner, for lunch, for breakfast. Always have alcohol with breakfast. So I hope that y'all are sticking with me. It's not too complex. I like this. I hope this video is under 10 minutes. You know, I want to create shorter videos. 30 minutes is way too long. So let's see if we can do that, and let's move on to the next one, okay? All right, y'all. So this drink is originally called the Greyhound, if you don't add salt. But yeah, 2 ounces of vodka, fill it up with your grapefruit juice. That's a Greyhound. Do the same thing, but then you salt your rim. That's a salty dog, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I've already covered this in my previous video. I think it was my rum series where I made a margarita. So go check that one out, but I'll also be doing it here for y'all so I can show you again if you haven't seen that video. You're just gonna salt your rim. All you're gonna do is grab a lemon, and then you're gonna take this lemon, put it around the edge and on the top, just to coat it, okay? After, you wanna take that, get a little bowl. I mean, you can do this on a plate too. I like to do it on a bowl because then all the salt gets right here on the edge. And you just wanna lightly turn that. Oh, I put ice in here already, and that's why it's acting funny. But you just want to turn that. There you go. I mean, it's not the prettiest. That's it. It'll stick. It sticks very easily. Woo. Yeah, that'll be a lot of salt. Okay, guys. You want it to look something like that, okay? Super duper easy. Super simple, super quick. So, alright, yeah, like I was saying, sorry. 2 ounces of your vodka. 2 shots of vodka. Have y'all seen that Vine? That crazy lady. I don't know if that's like a cooking show or something. Probably it is. It was like a cooking show on the Food Network. But if you haven't seen it already, if you don't know what I'm talking about, look up go to YouTube, search 2 shots of vodka, and I swear to God, you'll know. It'll come up. It's hilarious. First thing that comes up probably. Okay, fill it up. Bam! Shouty dog, boy. That's a shouty dog. All right. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Sorry for that noise. That was weird. But man, that salt just makes you go, mwah. It's tart. Woo! That's real grapefruit juice. It's tart. It's shouty. Man, imagine being on the beach with this, guys. Try this out. It's summertime stuff. This kind of stuff makes me excited. Like the stuff that makes you not just like, an orange juice and a flipping cranberry juice, you know, like that stuff is like, in your face, guys. It's in like, gonna smack you around, spit you out, and schlep you off, boy. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna freak you out. It's gonna floop you out if you haven't tried this before. It's super delicious. It's one of my favorite drinks, the Salty Dog. I was talking about that in my gin video. I just turned 21. I ordered a Salty Dog and a White Russian back-to-back. Bad mistake, guys. Don't do that because acid and and cream does not mix at all. So enjoy that, guys. I hope that y'all like this video, and yeah, give me a quick second to shout out my Instagram. Go check me out on there if you haven't already. Give me a comment down below. Let me see what you are talking about. What are your thoughts and opinions on this video? What are your thoughts and opinions on the future for videos? Let me know. I'm always there. I always check it out. And yeah, give me a like if you haven't already, which it would be a huge help. Subscribe if you haven't already. And anyway, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for sticking around with me. I do appreciate that. I'm trying to make this a quick video. Y'all have a good one, okay? Peace.